$10,000 a week! Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. People in the USA are already doing it with ChatGPT. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the blueprint nobody's talking about. Forget the hype. This isn't about vague AI magic. It's about positioning yourself as the go-to solution in a market that's hungry for speed, content, and automation. And ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Pick a niche where demand is exploding. Think ad copy for small businesses, YouTube scripts for creators, or ebooks for coaches. These are services that clients in the USA pay top dollar for every single week. Package ChatGPT's output into polished products. Offer them on Fiverr, Upwork, or direct outreach to businesses. Position yourself as an AI-powered freelancer who delivers faster, sharper, and cheaper than traditional agencies. Now scale. Automate repetitive tasks, upsell premium bundles, and lock in recurring contracts. That's how you move from a few $100 to consistent 5-figure weeks. The untold secret isn't just using ChatGPT, it's knowing how to turn AI into leverage. Start today, and you could be building your own digital empire. Hit like, subscribe, and let's ride this AI wave together.